And once again, 5 fouls is a disqualification. At 7 fouls, it is 1+1. They will be reflected as accurately as possible on the scoreboard as we have another black and pink matchup. Go ahead and get it started and underway. And it looks like Bonbon Salvador has another shot at the ball. Alejo gets it inside, passes out. Navarro, it's good. Rolls it into the rim quite nicely. It is 2-0. Mr. G-Man inside, and it's the end. It's good. It is 2-2. Emmer Dunag has absolutely dominated the inside of his game, and Bonbon Salvador has done the same before the outside. It's a 3-pointer to make it 5-2. Playing on a back-to-back is never easy, and playing off of a back-to-back is even harder off of a loss, but they are looking to avenge their split record. Mr. Nunag passes it out to ESQ. Jimmy takes him to court with a mid-range shot. It is 5-4 with him guarding the Luna at the top. Kagape inside. Right to Alejo. Oh, he fixed it. And he throws it into Navarro. Kagape, no good. Kagape off the mark. Jimmy ESQ has got the ball. Cash Money G in the corner. Back out to Jimmy ESQ. Nunag at the top. Labanal stolen away and intercepted by Alejo. Bonbon Salvador, can he be 2 for 2? No, he's 1 for 2 from 3. Alejo faked the pass, shoots a free throw, shot, no good. A free throw range shot, I should have mentioned. Labanal's got the book. Injury timeout. Be sure to drink lots of water, eat potassium, and hydrate amount of it anyway. Great empanadas. Back out to GVSQ as he drives it on Alejo. Right at the side, no good. Kagape with the rebound. Alejo has possession of the ball, guarded by Jimmy ESQ. Ronda. Inside, outside. Mr. Bonbon Salvador might have pulled something. No, I think he's all right. Alejo. Navarro. It's good. It is a 7-4 game with 21 minutes left to go here. Rabanal guarded. 24 inside. It's good. It is 7-6. It is 7-6 as Alejo is guarded again. Double team, triple team. Kagape shuffles his feet, and it is stolen away by Gonzalez. Gonzalez, oh, it looks right. Oh, he looks at Alejo right into the soul. Takes the lead. Marlon Fronda shoots, no good. A little bit short off of the top of the rim. It's good. Oh, Alejo, I think, was a little bit distracted at the fast break opportunity. They have now allowed 4 straight points. Bonbon Salvador has the basketball, guarded by Valenzo. Mr. Fronda, oh, he fakes Joe. Almost with a foul on MRCN. It is a foul on 29.
Line 29, line 29, line 29.
Fronda makes the free throw. Fronda makes both. Never mind, he makes one. I need to stop jinxing people. All right, Rabanal's got possession of the ball. It is an 8-10 ball game. The home team saw themselves lead so far in the first 3 minutes. It has changed in the 2 minutes since. Emmer, a spin and a kick to Rabanal at the top. It is Jimmy ESQ. Back to Nunag. And a mid-range shot that you already know is going in. It has gone in for most of this game, or most of the tournament, I should say. Off of the hands, off of Gonzalez, admitting it was off of him. Good sportsmanship there, Mr. number 24. Alejo a drive on Cash Money G, and it is no good. Gonzalez with hold of the possession. Oh, behind the back, through two people. Oh, okay. Oh, he's got it in his bag. He just could not finish. Alejo's got it. At top of the three, and he pops it. No good. Gonzalez has the ball. Guarded by Fronda. Valenza from three. Oh man, I was going to say no, it's going to go in, but he misses. A little bit long off the short part of the rim. Navarro guarded by Rabanal, who drives in right, and it's stolen away. Fronda, oh, it's a 3-on-1, and Rabanal accidentally miscommunicates with his teammate, leading to a turnover. A missed opportunity at fast break for the opposing team, and it is still 12-8 with 18 minutes left to go here in the first half. Fronda, a drive on Jimmy ESQ, no good. Maybe he's still reeling off a little bit of that free throw miss earlier here in the ballgame. Alonso for three. Off the mark is Alonso. Here is Kagape. Kagape guarded. Number 29. Oh, nice shoulder pass to Fronda, who banks it in. A Tim Duncan shot if I've ever seen one. It is 10-2 well here in the first half. 17 minutes to go. Rabanal passes it to ESQ in the corner. No good. Alejo drives out to Von Salvador. It's good! Finally hits a three. After a couple of missed ones, it is 13-12. A little advance. Rabanal guarded by Fronda with him sneaking as Salvador immediately covers G. Oh, Nunag, you know that's going, never mind. I was about to say it's gonna go in. He has been hitting that shot all day. Fronda, here guarded, Kagape. And a pull-up from the mini, it's good, 15-12.
Sab na ba, sab?
8 seconds. 7, 6.
Rabanal, up two. Gonzalez, no good. Slips a little bit. Marlon Fronda. Oh, that cross inside. Perfect pass. Perfect feed. Perfect defender. It is a 17-12 ball game. Substitutions on the floor, please. 16-minute mark substitution. Inside the Emmer. No good. On both Salvador. Subs. Children, please get off the floor. It is hot. 17-12. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Inside to Gonzalez. And Lanza, he has done this typically. I think we've seen a lot of first half. And Chris Flores inside to Oncena. Alejo, it's good. It is a 7-0 run at the hands of the home team. It is 19-12 here in the first half. 3 for Rabanal. No good. Lou, guarded by 3. Alejo from 3. The Under Armour cleats. No good. They cannot get control of the ball. 19-12. I can't say anybody's last name, but I feel so bad because there's no Filipino accent. Flores is guarding him. Back to Benito. Carlo for three. No good. That's against the rebound. Rabanal. Gonzalez calls it at the top of the elbow. It's good. Rolls it in, finally cutting what was a 7-0 run for the home team. Another injury as Monge is limping in pain. There has been a lot of injuries so far today. Oh well, another one. And a blocking foul on Labastida. Only 2 team fouls. Both teams have managed to play not only consistently with the pace of the game, but they have also managed to stay out of foul trouble. A lot of teams have not been able to do that so far in this game. And this is the game. Carlo for three. Labastida in. The money is open. The money has been on the money on the money. I don't think that's good. It is a 17-19 ball game. Kagape on Sena. It is good. It is 21-17. Everybody, I think at this point, is viably exhausted as we head towards the last 2 exhibitions of what so far has been a pretty fun day of basketball. Lanza in, it's good. Lanza looking with that, I'm just gonna say that number 6 reminds me so much of LeBron James. On Sena, Chris Flores in the corner, and it is cash. Put the money in the bank for Chris Flores. It is 24-19. 12 minutes left to go. Mr. G. No good. Lou. Dribbling to his right. Chris Flores for 3. No good. Labastida. Denoriel. It's good! He has cut the lead to 2. 11 minutes and 40 seconds left to go. Drives on Sena. A clean swat by Gonzalez. And a foul on Labastida. It's going to be the second foul on Labastida. Off the mark.
23 seconds. Time remaining. Our score is 56 Salomas, 53 Advent. It's 23 seconds. Time remaining. Number 20. Two free throws for Marcina. For number 20.
I know, right? Close game. Close game. Close game. Kabila, close game. Bago lang kasama na drop. Oo. Bumalik pala si Carlo. Kaya ko muna siya kanina. Sinambot lang? Kala ko malas ka eh. Swerte ka pala. Namamas ko po. Guard ako eh. Basta kalbo, walang gawang matino. Tatlo silang kalbo, oh. Marami na sumusuko. Yan pala na yung Alan de Desma. Yun, kabata-bata pa, pinulikat tayo. You're on cam. You were on cam. It's live. So if you're hiding from your parents, they already saw you. This is live.
Team Salambas, I need 2 more here. Team Salambas. Come on, can you help?
Tinambakan nyo siya hindi? Close game. Hindi na malisin siya eh. Pinasa pa?
Whenever you're ready. Yeah, we need a ball. We need a game ball, please. Out of bounds, they will run it in. Gonzalez got it on top of the key. Rubbing out for 3, it's good. $34 to 39. It's another good. 27 seconds left to go. Don't worry about the shot clock, it's just there for reference. Numa, off the mark. They get the rebound now. 8, 7, 6, 5, a 3, no good. 2, 1, it's 41-36, that's it. That is it for the first half. We will have a 2-minute marker for a short little break, 41-36, and we will be right back.
Hey, no, you're good. Are you sure? Yeah. Umalis na pala si Eric eh.
Well, what do you do for the holidays? The kids are coming in, so they're asking if they're good. That's family.
I thought he was going to dunk it. Number 69,
Right ball coming in, right ball.
Let's go, guys. 1, 2, 3, team. There we go. Okay, let's go. Hey, somebody get the extra ball, please. Thank you. We're wasting time here, guys. We're 1 hour and 16 minutes behind schedule. 41-36. Forty-one to 38. Twenty-one minutes left to go. Tie game. Oh, you know what? I thought Paulo Morena, number 17.
We have a holding foul on number 67, Hernandez.
It is 46 to 44. Thanks to the Marlins team, Team Ice Packs. Team Tylenol. Why did we name all of these teams conventionally by 46 to 46? Why did we name all of our teams conventional to the
automatic subdivision, right?
How many fouls is that? That is Labastida's third foul. 2 more will lead to an automatic disqualification from the game. (46, 46). Oh, he got hampered. Woo! Foul on 4. Wait. White 29. He makes the bird. Lou. Ravenel Gonzalez. It is good. 1.5 minutes until the substitution. Oh, spin and no good. Rondo, first foul, second team foul. It is. I would call a timeout if I was. Substitutions on the floor. Foul again on number 48, that is his second. It is 54-46. As Black has retaken advantage of the game and is looking to slip away second by second here in the second half of this game.
Ligas for 3, no good. Rebounded by Blue
15.
Emma Lunag, it is 15. Crystal clear, it is 46-56. Alejo. It is 48-56. Trying to make sure that it doesn't slip away too much, too difficult, too hard. Gonzalez from way downtown, not smart. Luna, who had been dealing with cramps earlier in the game, immediately scores on the other end with a nice bank shot to cut the lead to 6. Defense. Defense. A foul of Gonzalez, it is on Black 24. Wait. No good. 50-59 still. Jimmy ESQ gets it into Gonzalez. Orenya outside to Jimmy ESQ, laying down the law with the mid-range. And he makes it an 11-point decree. Gonzalez is good. 53-50. Trying to switch hands midair. Lou, frustration teaming with his team as Black continues to pull away with ease. Inside. Oh, he almost lost it. He does lose it. Lou. Off block.
Same ball, not ball.
Time's up.
Rep mandatory shot. Rep mandatory shot.
Foul and black 29.
And now it's an open subdivision. Loader, no good. Rebound by Renan, number 16, Cortez. Masuk kay Floresta. Floresta, ini okay. Nice. 8 point foul. Foul number 27. Floresta, that was a good highlight breaker, man.
Jimmy SQ takes it up and in. Not trying to control the court.
Good defense by Mr. Cortez.
Foul number 23. Oh, yung pala eh. May naghanap ka lang eh. Ruben. Kaya?
That is a 15 foul on the black team.
Cortez, being guarded by Pugil. Goreska. Goreska. Oh, Goreska. And no rebound. Basket.
Great.
Pugil. Nice reversal.
Like three.
One more until the penalty.
Cortez for three. No good. Long rebound by
Nasa loob ng pangalan.
Hindi ko mawala.
Off the mark.
Kulang pa tayo, sobra pa tayo.
Gonzalez to Jimmy ESQ off the mark. And Fronda fighting a little bit with Monga on the rebound. Monga from downtown, they need it. Not going to be good. Back up, no good. Nothing is going right. Jimmy ESQ right inside Ever. Oh, that's easy. That's easy as rain. You know that's going in when he puts it up. The big man gets his point. Three from Marlon Fronda off the mark. Gonzalez laying aside a 17-point lead. Fronda tries to take it away. Cool pass and right to Mr. Danny. Danny drives on ESQ. DeLuna back to Fronda inside. Oh, what a perfect pass, and they can't capitalize. Back to DeLuna from downtown. He thought about it, but it's back to Alejo, and that is the shot they're looking for. A 60-75 game.
Still stolen by number 2, Goreska. Oh, Ayubana. Curry.
Gonzalez. And it's a smooth shot. Makes it a 17-point game once again. Gonzalez has been the anchor for the rebounding unit in this game. It's good. Yes.
Stop.
Substitution on the floor. Blocks in the penalty for the 1+1. Shoot it, no. Do not. Lanza. Back to G-Man. G-Man Choi. Lanza guarded by Fronda. It is 77-63 with just about 3 minutes to go. Fronda gets it and lays it out to Monge. Monge, Lantea, no good. And it looks like everybody is just absolutely exhausted. No good. Emerson, no good. They still have a shot to get it within 10. Make sure the clock stops. A 3 from Marlon Fronda. It is cash, and it is 66-77. A timeout is called by Black. They want to make sure they take control of this game. We will be right back after the break. We got 3 minutes and 25 seconds left to go in this game. It is 66-77. You love seeing the multiples of 11 on the scoreboard. And one thing I love about the multiples of 11, at least all the way up until 100, is that you know a number is divisible by 11 if the same two numbers are on the digits for those two numbers. So, this is a quick little mathing, but it is still 66-77. To all of the Warriors fans in here who are wondering what the score of their team. Oh gosh, I need to start. My bad. 123. No good. It is off the mark. 305. Emerson, guarded by Kagape, and they take it back out. They have no intuition to, again, they are up by 11, and if you are up by 11, you do not have a running shot clock with no stoppages of time. Nunez, outside to La Bastida. Woo! It is a three, and that one might have sealed the game away, unfortunately. As Team Tylenol is still looking to get back in this game. Oh, perfect pass to Monge, who gets it two. It is 68-80. 2:28 left to go. Again, 68-80. As La Bastida guarded by Fronda. And we have Coach Paul KL telling his team to full court pressure. There is no pressure on Rabanello, who makes it from downtown. And again, like I said, if that wasn't the dagger, that definitely for sure was. Fronda for three, and he had it. It's no good. Flores was wide open in the corner, calling for the basketball. And just under 2 minutes, we got 15. We got a 15-point deficit. Obviously, everything can happen, but you never want to leave it up to chance. And the big chances that they have gotten, they have been able to rectify. Here is Monge as he gets the rebound off of Mr. Ramadan. Rondo with a three. Oh, he faked the lawyer out, and he still couldn't hit it. What a frustrating shot as he claps his hands in utter madness as Ever sticks out his tongue, signaling what might be a possible victory for Team Band-Aid. And he's going to try a three, and maybe stick to the mid-ranges next time, Tito Ever. That would be my suggestion. Ronda has the ball as we get to around the 1 minute marker. Flores guarded by Nunag, and he lets it fly, no good. But they get the rebound anyways. Oh yeah, point differential matters for those who are over. It is a three, no good. Ronda runs, and that's a foul. You will get 2 shots. You will get 3 shots. If it's not under 10, it's running. Get him the ball. Get him the ball.
3 shots plus possession. Timeout. Stop it.
It's running.
Stop it. Stop it on timeout. 4 minutes left. Inisip ko lang, nalabas na eh. Go back, take on timeout. Timeout sila.
Still. Ulit ka lang, pilot sila.
If there's one thing that Filipinos are exceptional at, it is gaslighting.
Hey, we got up with the Spaniards.
Be real, man. All the way to the basket for 2 points. Young 49-41, still the big group of the Yankees.
do it. Can he make it 2 out of 3? He cannot. And that should be game over.
Don't stop the clock. Don't stop the clock.
That's it. It is a 71-83 victory as Team Tylenol falls down to Team Band-Aid in a match